Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku Basalan March 20, 2022 2-star Sudoku. Column F, 5 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 5th grade. We have 7 and 4. So 7 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in other 2 cells. 9th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 3, 5, 8. It will come in the 3 cells, we will confirm later. Eighth grade, 3 numbers are remaining 7, 8 and 9. Column C we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells. 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. 9th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column E, 4 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 6, 9. 4th row we have 2, 4, 9. The 3 numbers can't come in this cell, it will come in other 3 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Remaining numbers we will confirm later. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. Column G we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. 7th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. 5th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Fourth row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 7, 8. Column B, column C, and second row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 3, 7, 8. Third grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. Column I we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Eighth row, 4 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 8, 9. 8th row and 9th row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 6, 8, 9. Column C we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in other 2 cells. Column I we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Seventh grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 8. It will come in the 3 cells, we will confirm later. Then ninth row, only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Column J, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5. Third grade. Sixth row, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. Third grade. And third row, we have 7, 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Sixth row and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, and 4 is confirmed here. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6, 9. Third grade, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells. 7th row also we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6. Second row and 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column H, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Third grade, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. 7th grade, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, then only 1 numbers are remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers remaining, 5 and 7. 6th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column B, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 5th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column D, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column F, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.